So many of you will be using ChatGPT in your browser, but I assume only few will be knowing that ChatGPT has an official app for Android and iOS. So today I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT in your Android mobile. So first thing, as usual, just go to Play Store and search for ChatGPT, and you'll be having many fake apps with a similar logo of OpenAI. So as you can see, we are having so many logos which are quite similar to OpenAI and ChatGPT. So to avoid confusion, just click on the first thing that you get, and it needs to be from OpenAI. So in this case, I'll just click here, and I'll be getting that OpenAI, as well as the download count is going to be 50 million. Alright, and this is from the official creator. So once you have found it out, just install it. After opening the app, you will be getting an interface like this. Here you can either create a new account or log in with your existing account. So we need to sign in over here. So once you sign in, you will be getting the welcome to ChatGPT screen, and you can just read it through and just click on continue. And here we will be getting a space where we can input our text prompt. Also, we can even give it instructions through voice. So this is how it works, exactly similar to the browser. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.